Want to master the future of painless dentistry? Introducing the one-day workshop that's revolutionizing dental procedures. Join dental professionals from across India learning cutting-edge laser techniques. From soft tissue surgery to teeth bleaching, master every laser application. Learn from Dr. Ashank Mishra, Masters in Laser Dentistry. Get comprehensive training from laser physics to hands-on practice. Cover everything: laser safety, hard tissue applications, low-level laser therapy and biomodulation. Practice on real tissue simulations. Gain confidence before treating patients.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meenakshi, practicing orthodontist from Hyderabad. I just attended this course on laser where I would like to thank sir for giving wonderful session on lasers. So it was very helpful from the basics and we had a very good hands-on. So where I could communicate with him in one-to-one session like a kind. Where he explained all my doubts. It was nice and thank you for taking out your time and explaining all of us. Thank you.
Join us at our next workshop in Hyderabad. Limited seats available. Enroll now.